from HealthyTreatMarket.com, and I am showing you how I make my salmon, because I do this for me at home too, so that I've got food at home so I can put it in the freezer and just grab it when I need it. So what I do is I buy the Aldi's pink salmon. I love Aldi because this is wild caught. It's a much healthier salmon. It's inexpensive. It comes individually packed and frozen like this. So what I'm gonna do is just open it up, knock it on my thing, and I'll do like 5 or 6 of these, and then I freeze them all. And that way you can just pull it out, nuke it for 30 seconds, and you have a delicious salmon. You can make a salmon burger if you got waffles ready and salmon ready. What I put on it is my HTM seasoning, and I'm just gonna go around and do this, okay? And then I add, the only other thing I add to it is pepper. Okay, and I'm just gonna do that to this. I'm gonna put it in the oven at 375 for about 15 minutes. Just make sure this is cooked. And then I pull it out, let it cool for a few minutes, and then I individually pack it and stick it in the freezer. So this is a perfect way for you guys to meal prep so that you've got food ready for you so that when you're hungry, you don't just grab something bad, okay? Don't forget to come see us. We're in the Davison Farmers Market. We're here every Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, 9 to 5. You can also like our Facebook page, Healthy Treats Market. You can join the Healthy Treats Market support group and subscribe to Healthy Treats Market on YouTube. And be sure, whatever you do, visit us on HealthyTreatsMarket.com so that you can look at the recipe book and see more recipes like this. This gives you an idea of about how much I put on each one. This is delicious. It's a little bit salty, so you don't want to add salt. You can even add extra onion and garlic if you like. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. God bless you.